In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the look and feel of your Coaches Portal. Now keep in mind that the Coaches Portal look and feel is independent of your Customer Portal look and feel. In other words, only you and your other coaches are ever going to see this type of branding, and you can brand the customer facing to be the same, or it can be different. So all we'll do is click on Scheduling System, Look and Feel, and first we'll set our header. Just going to browse for my file. And here I'll set my dimension, and you want to make sure that you keep the dimension at 942 as a maximum, while the height of the header can be any dimension that you choose. Just going to save those changes, and now let's preview. And now you can see that I have my header inside the Coaches Portal. Now I'll continue on with my customization and modify the background of the page. First I'm going to set my background color. And then I'm going to put in a background image. And I'm going to leave the font color at the default, and I'm going to leave the font family at the default. Save the changes. And again, we can preview it. Now me personally, I find this to be a little bit too busy, so let's go back and modify it and make it a little bit nicer. So I'm just going to get rid of the image, and then I'm going to change my background color just to a nice gray. And again, I'll save the changes. And let's preview. And now to me this is much nicer looking, so I'll stick with just a plain background. Now the final thing to do is to modify our footer. And here it's typical to put in your business information. And finally, I can change the footer color. And I'll change that to be just a little bit lighter. And of course the font color. But I'm going to leave my font color at the default. So again, let's save it and preview it. And I'm pretty pleased with this, so I'm going to leave it just as it is. Nice header, modify the background, I've modified my footer, and now the page is just the way I want it to look. Now obviously the center content has not appeared in the preview, but that's only because this is a preview mode for setting your look and feel of the surrounding areas. But when you go live, of course, all the content and all the buttons will be there in addition to your new look and feel. And if you ever choose to change, you can easily go back and repeat the process and modify your look and feel at any point in time and as often as you choose.